to 30-day video challenge, day 2. We are loaded up on the trailer to take everything to our booth, and we're just gonna make a quick stop at our church to drop off some flooring real quick. And it is hot today.
It is hot.
So
I think
hot.
we picked the hottest day to be outside.
We are headed to the Peddler's Mall now, and just to do a bit of explaining for you guys before we get there, this mall has all types of booths, so it's not just vintage and antique, unfortunately. So we have our booth divided into 2 sections. One is like a curated vintage and antique side, and the other one is more of just other random things that we sell. So today our goal is to actually put up a wall divider between the booths and then do a bit of a reset on both sides. It's been a while since we've been to the booth and really restocked it, so we're bringing in a bunch of big stuff today, and then we'll come back a different day to add in a bunch more small things. But I just wanted to explain the 2 booth sides and not look like we're rearranging somebody else's booth beside us just to put a wall in. But here we go. Wall is up, and it's gonna look worse before it gets better. Okay, so it's not done yet, but all the big stuff's in, and bring the small stuff in on a different day when there's more time. But let me show you what we got so far. I'm not completely happy with it yet, but this needs to all be filled with small stuff. This needs to all be filled with small stuff. And then it just needs some other sprucing and things added to it. And this is the other side, which, like I said, is kind of more random things. We're going to be doing away with this part of it soon, but for now we're clearing out some things that are a little less curated. It's done, but this is why I hate sharing the process on YouTube, because it doesn't look at all like what I want it to, and it's hard to be transparent and show the in-betweens. I just like to show the finished product. So this one's for you guys.
On a road.
And now it's time for our favorite thing to do after a Peddler's Mall booth restock.